Hey, hi friends, welcome to Edge Automation. Okay, so from this video, I am going to start a new series, a very important series in Selenium. I'll be covering the most important concept in the Selenium that you must require if you are going for an interview or in your day-to-day Selenium scripting. Okay, so first thing, like how to handle the different windows. Okay, so in every day we come across like on a web page when you click on a link or on a button, and after clicking on that a new window is open. Okay, so new window is open, and that whatever content it is displayed, that will be displayed in that newly open window. So how you can control, how you can switch to that window, how you can if you want to do some testing on that window that is open, then how you can do that with the help of Selenium. Okay, so basically what I am saying is, let's say you are on this Amazon page, and when you click on this mobile, okay, if you see as of now it is opening in the same window. Okay, so two things we are going to learn today, like if you want to open a link in new window, how you can do that, and how you can control or how you can test something on that newly opened window. Okay, so first thing is how you can open the content, or after clicking on window, a new window should be open. How you can do that? Okay, so that you can do with the help of your you have a keyboard, and when you press control on that keyboard and click on this any button or link, that particular window, okay, related window will be opened in a new window, like that. Okay, this is the parent window, and we pressed control and we click on this mobile and new, and it opens the content in new window. Okay, similarly we will click on computers. Okay, by pressing control, then click on book. Okay, so we have total 4 windows opened here. Okay, and how we open, like open all these by pressing the control and click on the these links available, okay, on the Amazon page. Okay, so what we are going to do, okay, the scenario is you have to come to this Amazon page, you have to press control, open these 3 links in 3 windows, and get the title of these windows, okay, with the help of Selenium. Okay, we will be printing the title of the page in the console. Okay, let's jump on the coding part. Okay, so for handling the windows, Selenium Web Driver provides 2 methods. The first method is get window handle. Okay, so as name suggests, it handles a single window. Okay, so in browser, when you open any window, the particular ID will be assigned to each windows. Okay, that will be the unique ID, and that IDs will be the output or the return data of this method. Okay, so once you create, or once you call this method, it will return a string type of data. Okay, okay, so let me explain this. I have just created one project automate with the Selenium, and I have added one package. Okay, and in this package I will be adding the the most important concept in Selenium one by one. Okay, so this is the first one, window handles. So I have just created this class, and we need to create the method, any test case that we are going to run, that for that we need to create a method. Okay, so this is the method, public void single window handle, like how you can handle the single window and how you can handle the multiple windows. So in Selenium, for single window we have get window handle method. Okay, so first of all, this is a little bit new for you if you are not come across the WebDriver manager concept. So basically, in a normal, in usual way, we write the dot so system dot set property, and then we like WebDriver dot chrome dot driver, and then we give the location of our driver file where it is exactly in our system. So this is the another method, WebDriver manager. Here we don't require, okay, no need to download that WebDriver from the seleniumhq.org. Okay, the WebDriver manager will take care of that. It will uh, whatever driver you have used, like we have used here Chrome driver, it will go and automatically download the Chrome driver exe file. Okay, and that will be used, and according to that it will open the Chrome. WebDriver manager will have different, like if you want IE, it has IE driver, or if you want Firefox, it has Firefox. Okay, so I will maybe in another lecture I will cover in detail about this WebDriver manager and its use. Okay, so as of now just consider, like here we are opening the Chrome driver. Okay, after opening, okay, as we know that we need to create the reference of WebDriver interface, and with the help of driver we are going to this URL amazon.in. Okay, so this is the method, and we are going to print whatever ID. So this ID will be in a form of string, and that we have storing in this variable, and we are just printing it. Okay, so let's go and run this test. Let's see what we get in the console. Okay, it is opening the Chrome. I have not used the maximize function here, so that will be the opening in minimize mode. Okay, so this test case only will go to Amazon, and it will get the window handle, whatever that home window is open, and it will print in the console. Let's see what is the, okay, you see this is the unique ID at runtime that will be assigned to that particular window. Okay, opened by the driver, and this will be the unique ID. Okay, let us go to our second test case, like opening these three links in separate tabs or separate window, we can say, and in directly we cannot do that. Okay, so we need to press the control button, and then we need to click on this link, and it will open in new separate windows. Okay, so I have created a test case for that. The test case, okay, so this is the second test case, very much similar to the first one. Okay, we are just opening the Chrome driver, and we are getting the amazon.in. Okay, so as I already said, like we need to press the control button. So whatever mouse related things or keyboard events you are going to use in your Selenium script, you need to use the actions class. Okay, I hope you are aware about the action class and its uses and its functionality. Okay, so we are just using the actions class here. We are creating an object of action class, and using that object we are, this is the method. Okay, key down. Okay, and what key you have to press? The control, right? So after pressing the control, you need to move to that element. Which element you need to, okay, first you will press the control, and you need to move to this mobile, right? You need to move your mouse to the mobile or computer or books, and then you need to click on that. So the same thing we are writing in our Selenium script. First press control, and then move to the element. So this is the X path of the mobile link. Okay, up to this you can say this is the X path of the mobile link. I can show you if you want in the console. So let's say inspect, control V. Okay, you see it is highlighting this mobile. Okay, so this is the correct X path, the mobile, and then after we find the element, here we will get the element, and then click on that element. Okay, so this is the click method, and build.perform. Okay, so this is the composite method. It will press the control button, and then it will move to the mobile link, and then it will click on that. Similarly, at the same time, after this event is done, it will press the control button again. It will move to the computers. Okay, and then click on that. Then again it will go to press control and go to like book button. Okay, so we are opening these three links in different windows. Okay, and after that we are releasing that control button. Okay, so you have to use keys up, function. Okay, so up to this we are just open our links in different windows. So how you can go to that particular window, because in Selenium driver will control a single window at a time. Okay, it cannot handle all the windows at a time. So whatever, if you want to handle the multiple windows, you need to first switch to that window and then perform whatever necessary action you have to do, and then it using that window handle we can switch on that windows. So let me show you. So this is the get window handles method. As I said, there are two methods. One is the get window handle, that is it will return a string, it will return a window handle of a single window, and get window handles it will return a set of string, like set of string. It will, like, let's see, like, so get window handles as name suggests, it will return the multiple data, right, multiple string data. So this is the collection concept, like this is the set interface, and this will not allow any duplicate elements. Okay, so as I already said, the windows will have the unique IDs. Okay, and it will be stored, I think the set, whatever we are using, the reference we are providing here, the string. So it's saying that driver.get window handles get the all the window handles of all the windows opened by the driver reference, and get me and give me that handles, and store that in WIDs variable. Okay, so we can check like how many windows are open now. Okay, at particular time after this we have opened the 3 links, and one is the parent window. Okay, so definitely this should be 4. Let's say after the output. Okay, and it will print the window IDs. So you can say like this data is come from the first test case. It's like a hexadecimal number. So similarly we will get the 4 IDs in this. Okay, and then once we get the IDs, our thing is, what we have to do is we are here. Okay, and we need to switch to these windows. Okay, and grab the page title. Okay, so from here you cannot directly print or get the titles of these other windows open. Okay, it's not possible. First you need to switch to that windows, and then you can use the get title function in Selenium. So how you can switch, how you can do that? So we have a concept like iterator in Java. Okay, so iterator will like works like a enhanced for loop. It will iterate. Okay, whatever the data inside, it will keep iterating unless and until it has the all the elements has finished. Okay, so currently it will have the 4 elements. Okay, and it will keep switching. Okay, keep switching to the next. So how I have declared is, see, the iterator. Okay, so we are creating the iterator reference ITR, and we are placing over that WIDs dot iterator. Okay, so all the WIDs, okay, the 4 as of now we have, that will be in iterator reference now. So while we are going to use the while loop here, while iterator has next. Okay, iterator has next, then come inside, and then driver dot switch to window. So this is the function to switch to window. Okay, so this is the function, and this function needs a string. Okay, it needs a string arguments. Okay, so itr dot next. Okay, so it will point to the particular ID. Okay, window ID that is present in the ITR, right? So ITR next, it will point to that string. Okay, and using that window ID, the Selenium will able to switch to that window. Okay, whatever ID we have given, it will switch to that window, and after switching, okay, so control will be goes to that window only. So let's, for example, from here control will go to here. Okay, and now you can do whatever testing you need to perform on this page. So current driver will be the whole control will be of this page is available to the driver reference, and you can test anything. You can click on here, or you can perform whatever test case you need to perform. Okay, so we have successfully switched to this window, and after switching we are just here we are just printing the title, printing the page title. Okay, so in this is the code. Okay, if someone asks you in exam like how you can handle the window, so you can clearly say like say that there are two functions for handling single window. Like switching between the windows, we need to get the window IDs. Okay, so window IDs will be given at the runtime, and that will be the unique one. And for handling windows, we need to switch to these windows. Okay, for switching to the windows, we first need to get the window IDs. Okay, and to get the window IDs, we need to use this function, get window handles. Okay, it will give the multiple set of string data, and so we store in a set reference. And to switch between one to another, we use a while loop, and using the iterator we will iterate through that list of string, and we will switch from one window to another window. Okay, we will keep switching. Okay, once this is ITR will be over, it will come out of this while loop and our test case will be over. Okay, so let's see, we will run this test case now, the second test. It will open the Amazon site. It will press the control button, and it will open the three sites in three different windows. Let's see. You see, first, second and third. Now it is switching. Now it has switched to book. Now it will switch to computer. Now it is grabbing the title, and it will wait for the page to load. Okay, now it has switched to computer window. Okay, and now it is switched to the last one, the mobile phones. Okay, so I have not used the drive.close, so it will not close. Let's directly to our console. You see, there are total 4. We get the 4 as output. I already said that. And here we will get the window IDs. Okay, these are the unique one. You won't find the similar thing here. All are different, and it will be assigned a runtime. Okay, so these are the 4. The first, it has switched to the shopping site. It is the first. This is the parent one. Then it has switched to the bookstore online. Okay, this one. Then it has switched to the computer. Okay, it has printed the title, and then at last it has switched to the mobile phones. Okay, mobile phones. This is the title. You can verify that. Maybe you can use assert here. Okay, rather than printing, you can use assert here, but that's the next thing. But our scenario has completed. Okay, this is how it is very easy, and if you explain like this, the interviewer will be impressed. Okay, and this is very important concept, guys. You need to know. If you don't know much in deep in the Selenium, but if you are planning to go for a interview, that is for Selenium Java interview for any company, no matter it is a small or MNC, this question 100% will be asked: how you handle different windows, the content on different windows. Okay, so you need to switch to that window, and then for switching you need to use the get window handles, store that, use iterator, switch to that window. Okay, and perform the necessary actions. Okay, so this is only the one action we are done here. Like after switching, we just get the title. If in your real case, if you want to switch to that, and then you need to click on for different windows, you can do that accordingly. Okay, so I think this is all about for this lecture. In coming lectures, I'm going to explain the different, very important concept, like there is a frame concept is there that I am going to cover. Let's see. Then keyboard events also we are going to do, how you can do with the action class. Okay, these are the important things and important question that is asked in the interviews. Okay, so just be prepared, and see you soon. Thank you. Bye.